Welcome back to Automotive World, your ultimate destination for in-depth reviews, latest updates, and insights into the world of cars. Today, we're diving into one of Suzuki's most exciting offerings, the 2025 Suzuki Vitara S. Suzuki has been known for producing reliable, stylish, and performance-oriented vehicles, and the Vitara 2025 S takes things to a whole new level. Let's see what makes this compact SUV stand out in a fiercely competitive market. The first thing you'll notice about the 2025 Suzuki Vitara S is its bold, modern design. Suzuki has clearly put a lot of thought into giving the Vitara a fresh look for 2025. The front grille has been updated with a sleeker, more aggressive design, featuring a honeycomb pattern and a striking chrome accent. The LED headlamps now come with sharper DRLs, giving the car a sophisticated yet sporty look. The bumper is redesigned to house larger air intakes, and the fog lamps are seamlessly integrated for a premium finish. Moving to the side profile, the Vitara maintains its compact SUV dimensions, but it feels more muscular and dynamic thanks to its bold character lines and flared wheel arches. The 17-inch alloy wheels are eye-catching with their dual-tone finish, adding to the sporty appeal. Roof rails, a floating roof design, and the sharp crease along the doors ensure that the Vitara S stands out from the crowd. At the back, the LED taillights are now more angular, and the bumper gets a sporty diffuser-like element. It's a car that strikes the perfect balance between elegance and ruggedness. The Suzuki Vitara 2025 S is more than just good looks. Under the hood, it packs a 1.4-liter booster jet turbocharged engine, delivering 140 horsepower and 220 Nm of torque. Suzuki has made this engine more efficient while ensuring it maintains the spirited performance the Vitara is known for. Paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission, the power delivery is smooth, and the shifts are quick. Whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating city traffic, the Vitara S feels responsive and lively. Suzuki's All-Grip Select 4-wheel drive system ensures excellent traction on any terrain, making this car capable of tackling rough roads and slippery surfaces with confidence. Now let's step inside and check out the interior. Suzuki has made significant upgrades here. The cabin feels more refined, with high-quality materials used throughout. Soft-touch plastics on the dashboard, brushed aluminum accents, and leatherette upholstery elevate the overall experience. The 2025 Vitara S also comes with ambient lighting that adds a touch of luxury to the interior, especially during night drives. The centerpiece of the dashboard is the new 10-inch touchscreen infotainment system, which now supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The interface is intuitive and responsive, and the system also comes with inbuilt navigation and voice commands. Suzuki has also introduced a fully digital instrument cluster, giving the driver access to a wealth of information, including fuel efficiency, navigation, and driving modes. A wireless charging pad, multiple USB-C ports, and a premium sound system round out the tech upgrades. Comfort hasn't been overlooked either. The seats are well cushioned, offering excellent support for long journeys. Both the front and rear seats have ample legroom and headroom, even for taller passengers. The Vitara S also comes with a panoramic sunroof, enhancing the sense of space and providing a great view of the sky. The rear seats can be folded in a 60/40 split, giving you flexibility when it comes to carrying luggage or larger items. With the seats up, the Vitara offers 375 liters of boot space, which expands significantly when the seats are folded down. When it comes to safety, the Suzuki Vitara 2025 S doesn't cut corners. It's equipped with Suzuki's latest safety suite, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and autonomous emergency braking. The 360-degree camera makes parking and tight maneuvers effortless, while the rear cross-traffic alert adds another layer of security. 7 airbags, ABS with EBD, and traction control are standard, ensuring you and your passengers are well protected. One of the standout features of the Vitara S is its fuel efficiency. Suzuki has incorporated a mild hybrid system that works seamlessly with the turbocharged engine to enhance performance and reduce fuel consumption. This means you get an impressive fuel economy figure, making the Vitara S an excellent choice for both city commutes and long road trips. On the road, the 2025 Vitara S feels composed and fun to drive. The steering is light and responsive, making it easy to maneuver in urban settings, while the suspension strikes a perfect balance between comfort and handling. The car absorbs bumps and potholes effortlessly, and at higher speeds, it remains stable and planted. For those who enjoy driving, the Vitara S offers selectable driving modes that let you tailor the car's performance to suit your mood and road conditions. In conclusion, the Suzuki Vitara 2025 S is a well-rounded compact SUV that ticks all the right boxes. It's stylish, feature-packed, fun to drive, and offers great value for money. Whether you're looking for a daily commuter, a family car, or something capable of handling the occasional adventure, the Vitara S won't disappoint. That wraps up our review of the 2025 Suzuki Vitara S. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to Automotive World for more reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.